Hey there, to change auto lock on your iPhone, you need to first visit your settings, and from here you need to go down and visit display and brightness. Tap here. Now from here you need to swipe again. You will find this option called auto lock. As you can see this, tap here. Now you will find all this timing. So if you want your screen to be locked after 3 minutes, you can tap 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. By default it will be 30 seconds. I would like to prefer never. So if you want 3 minutes you can do it, but I keep it on never. So yeah, that's how you change your auto lock on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.